it's time to connect two ideas that we've seen, elements and trees. Here's my name again. Let's suppose with my markup language, I can mark up my name like this, my first name and my last name. Let's make it a bit easier to read. And then we can think of each element, remember that's the start and end tags with all attributes and contents. We can think of each as a node in a tree. Let's suppose our two nodes had a parent. Then the markup would look like this. The first name and last name elements are contents inside the name element. The first name and last name elements are nested inside the name element. Big word alert. Nested, placed inside something else. We could write our markup like this. It would still be valid and easy for a computer to read. But markup isn't just designed for computers to read. It's also designed for humans to be able to read and understand it easily. You might come back to markup like this and have a hard time understanding it even if you wrote it, or pass it to someone else who definitely will have a hard time. So we might do something like this. In markup languages, whitespace doesn't matter much, at least anything beyond a single space. We can split up the name this way, and it doesn't mean there's suddenly a new line between Tony and Alicea, because the markup itself isn't content. We can do even better then. This is very clear, and often how you will see markup written. This is how we will write our markup throughout this course, and I encourage you to do the same. Another benefit is that you can start to see the relationship to tree data structures. We have a root, the name, and two children, first name and last name. Can you see that? Do you see the tree? Well-formatted markup makes those relationships easy to see at just a glance.